Right then, this light's a bit broke. It's coming off here the other day, and I was told more than half of it was lighting up. Yeah, so I've got a new light to put on. Oh, there's the box. Clear one. See how that looks on the car. So it looks like there's 3 holes under here. 1, 2, 3. And it will have, I don't know, maybe it's a 10mm. Let's try 10mm. I have to take this plastic piece out just because I need to be able to plug it in. I don't think I can get to it there, so let's have a look. How's it connected? Some wires up there. Oh, there's quite a few wires. Right. Micro switch on its own. What's that for? So these screws appear to be an 8mm. Right, got part of it out. It's a bit broke. Yeah, it's a shame that all those LEDs, it's just the red plastic that's broken. Need to find the plug. I know it's down here somewhere. Let's have a look. Let's see if I can find it. Eventually got that off. It's a very funny fitting that. So I can feed that through. Oh. Yeah, it's a bit broke, that one. Right, let's compare it to the other one. Yeah, it will do. Right, give that a bit of a clean. Still got some springs in here. Don't know why we've got springs in. One there, one here, and the other one dropped in the bottom. Right, got the springs on there. I don't really know what part they play. I've got a gasket on here, so let's see how easy this is to get in. Right, I just put that one on till it stopped going, and I don't know if you can see in there. So, interesting. Right. I'm a bit confused by this. If I turn the springs round, they're too springy. And even if I get the nuts on, it's very strange. So the springs have to go on the outside. That's it. So you put the light in, put the spring on first, then the nut,